Introduction to Makita. Today, we're diving deep into the historic world of one exceptional company that has made significant waves in the power tool industry, Makita. From its humble beginnings over a century ago to emerging as a global titan in the power tool market, Makita's journey is filled with resilience, innovation, and tremendous growth. Buckle up, it's going to be an exhilarating ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Makita Company History. In 1915, Makita was founded as an electric motor sales and repair company. In 1958, Makita became the first company in Japan to manufacture and sell electric planners. For over a half-century thereafter, Makita worked to build a steady position as a manufacturer of portable electric power tools and today continues its quest to provide products and services that are beneficial to all types of customers engaged in housing construction. Makita's history also parallels that of the evolution of power tools, and over the course of its history, Makita has worked to dovetail its products to its customers' developing needs. Historical background on the establishment of Makita in 1915. The history of Makita begins over a century ago, incisively in 1915. Founded by Masaburo Makita in Nagoya, Japan, Makita started as an electric motor repair and sales company. Named after its founder, this resilient business survived tough times including the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923 that devastated most parts of Japan. Despite these challenges, the brand managed to persist through resilience and innovative thinking at every turn. The beginnings might have been humble, but were richly steeped in an unwavering dedication to quality craftsmanship and staunch business ethics, setting robust foundations for future development. Enthusiasm for the electric business. Makita Electric Works was founded in the city of Nagoya in Aichi Prefecture on March 21, 1915. It was a time when demand for electricity was growing rapidly, driven by the economic boom around the time of World War I. The starting point of the company was a small factory engaged in selling and repairing lighting equipment, motors, and transformers, with only 4 members. Masaburo Makita, age 21. Operating the factory as its owner, Jujiro Goto, age 17, an experienced worker, and a boy who had just graduated from elementary school. Masaburo Makita, the founder, was born in 1893 to a rich family of timber merchants in Nagoya and brought up in comfort. He had a strong interest in electrical technology from early childhood, and he entered a commercial school once but persuaded his parents to allow him to re-enroll in an engineering school in Tokyo. In 1913, after graduating from school, he joined Nagoya Dento Co., led current Chubu Electric Power Company, and took the first step as an engineer at its laboratory. He seemed to have successfully started out on a career path in the eyes of others, but in reality, Masaburo had a long-standing dream of getting his electricity business started. Masaburo Makita, the founder, around 1920. About a year after getting a job, an opportunity arose for Masaburo. He heard that Meiji Electric, headquartered in Tokyo, had run into financial difficulty and decided to close its branch factory in Nagoya and sell machinery and equipment. Meiji Electric was engaged in manufacturing, selling, and repairing motors and electric transformers in the order of 50 horsepower. Masaburo enthusiastically asked his father right away for financial assistance and concluded a contract to acquire the machinery and equipment. At the same time, he requested Meiji Electric to dispatch workers as well. Nobody would have guessed that Jujiro would later lay down the foundations of the company. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.